day in the iron on the railway, Sam was feeling very tired. He wanted to wake. He was sleeping in the shed while everybody was doing their work. His driver and fireman were getting his firebox ready, but to no avail. There was no fire in him. The fireman even tried several times, but nothing worked. At last, his fire was back on. What the flip? What's going on? Well, where are we going, driver? Said Sam. We're going to Crow's Riff, he said, because we're wandering right there. So Sam wasted no time, and his driver pulled the lever, and they left to go on a journey. But when he arrived at the shuttle at Crow's Riff, things were not going pretty well there. What the? Cars? Cars? What the? Cars? But I wanted to pull coaches, not shut cars. Cars are very annoying, driver. Please, can we go back? Sorry, Sam, but we can't. Okay. Let's just get this over with. Such a boring job shutting trucks, said. Every time Sam tried to get the trucks, his wheels slipped and slipped and slipped. He tried to get it, but nothing worked. His wheels just spinned and spinned. So Sam gave up. Soon, he was able to get some trucks. This time. But suddenly there was trouble up ahead. Instead of the trucks going into the siding, they went completely on the other way by accident. There was a store behind the trucks. Sam tried to stop, but it was